Hey y'all, I'm guessing most of you found me through the open channel or the trading bot. So today I'm gonna show y'all what one of my live trading sessions looks like. First, we're checking out what's going on in the market and which trades we are opening together. Then we're jumping right into trading. Of course, I'm showing how I enter trades, work with charts, and manage risks. You'll see it all live, right here, right now. At the end, I'm dropping 3 test signals from this first session so y'all can try to copy my moves yourself. Get comfy, let's get started. And note that price has now reached a very strong confidence support level. Therefore, we boldly open the upside and wait for the trade to close. By the way, having many years of experience, I can say with certainty that trading stability is the result of a systematic approach, not a chance. I have studied a lot, practiced a lot, and hit my own bumps, and I have a lot to share. You can simply follow me and copy my signals to understand the market and learn how to trade on your own. And in the meantime, you can already earn money from trading. Sounds cool, doesn't it? The price has moved away from the support level, as I said earlier. Look, we connect the price reversal points and we get a rather powerful level from which the price pushed off and went in the opposite direction. On MACD, the line also confidently went upwards in the right direction for us. And this candle jobbed and gave us the opportunity to exit with a positive result. Another trade closed in the plus side, and that's how my real-time methodology works. It's quite simple, but let's open another trade on the upside, because here we have the price still moving up from the support level. Our strategy does not fail, and this is another successful trade in our sessions. I believe that such signals are still a reason not to miss the opportunity and enter on time. So I suggest you try to participate in our live sessions to take your positivity and get pumped up in trading. The deal closes in a plus side, and that's why it's important to trade with a clear strategy. No extra emotion, just profit. And it proves that the analysis justifies itself. And indeed, the price went in the direction we wanted it to go. And now we're going to open lower. And here's why. Not that our price has reached the resistance level, the upper boundary, which was before in the previous trading corridor support level. We connect all the price reversal points, and in this case the price pushes from this boundary and goes down. In addition, our MACD indicator has reached the upper boundary, which confirms our entry point. And while the market is moving, I will tell you how I came to trading in the first place. I became interested in finance in high school. My first attempts at trading in college were a complete chaos. I started to drain like all my pocket money. But I did not give up, friends. I started to learn technical analysis and risk management to build my system, and by the age of 24 I finally started to earn a stable income. So it's absolutely real and you can do it too. Another deal closes with a positive result. There are the moments that distinguish professional trading, when the strategy works and the market plays into our hands. Well, without discipline, where's the discipline? After all, no strategy will work without it. That's why I'm always reminded of the rules of trading and proper risk management. And I'm not risking your trades. This is where we are going to open higher from here. Well, first of all, we have confirmation on all indicators, namely the upward movement of these lines. In addition, we have the price rearranged into a new trading corridor, namely an ascending trading corridor. That's exactly how it looks here as well. Therefore, we open on the upside, and now we will see how the deal will work out. It's very important to see the global situation on the market to use combinations of indicators. It's important to see the market with your own eyes and cover the whole picture. This is what I teach, by the way. So, about the sessions. Each sessions you are getting market updates and news so you know which trades are relevant today. Live trading in real time, 3 test signals from the first session for some hands-on practicing. A second trading session without any delays, real results and feedback from participants. Now let me break it down further. We're starting by planning our trades, assessing the news and developing our strategy. Then you're watching, so I open positions, adjust them and manage risks. The test signals give you a chance to repeat my actions and feel the strategy in practice. In the second session, you are seeing pure trading without delays. It's all about market dynamics. And boom, another great result. Look how clearly the price movement played into our hands and the trade closes in a plus. I'm glad our strategy worked. The deal is closed, the profit is fixed, and you and I can move on. We will open on a downside. The price has approached a confident upper boundary which will be further pushed back. It may be noted that we also have a second border. The second resistance level from which the price will further go down. So we open down here with confidence. Nice entrance. You can see my session now, exactly what I'm doing. Imagine being able to repeat after me. I wouldn't have turned down that opportunity in my day, believe me. The transaction closes with a positive result. The price is confidently moving downwards and therefore we take our profit. I'll be honest, many people think you need years of experience to be a successful trader, but no. The key is to know the right strategy and have support. That's why I personally always try to stay in touch so you are not alone in the market. Well, now we're going to open on the upside. Here the price already performed its next reversal and pushes from the support level. We can pay attention to candlestick reversal patterns, which also suggests that the price will go upwards in the future. So, let me give you a bit more detail on what each session includes and how you are benefiting from watching the process in real time. You are getting the full package. Market updates and news to understand where things are heading. Live trading, 3 test signals from the first session for trying to replicate my moves. A second session without any delays for pure practicing. Results and feedback from those already trading with this system. How it's working in practice. First, we're analyzing the market and news, then we are planning our trades. After that, you're seeing every step I'm taking, entries, risk management, and position adjustments. The test signals give you a chance to feel the strategy firsthand. In the second session, we're continuing trading without delays. It's all about the raw process, with all the dynamics and decisions on the chart. Look how quickly the price went up and another trade closed in a plus. You see the movement. This is where profit or loss is decided, and we act quickly. The strategy doesn't fail, and another successful trade is in our session. Such signals are a reason not to miss the opportunity and get it on time. And now we're going to open lower. And now we'll see how the deal works out. I now use only one pair, one time frame, and fixed amounts. I advise you to work the same way. It minimizes risks as much as possible. And that's exactly what I do in my trading sessions. Everything here is simple enough that even a beginner can really understand it. We opened on the trend movement and there is confirmation from all our indicators. Let's move on and make a couple more trades. The price went down in the right direction according to all indicators. There is also confirmation and it is a great entry into the trade. The price went down in the same direction we expected. And now I'm seeing some interesting movement in the market. And it's a great example of why it's important to have a proven strategy at hand. You're using specific tools that go well together. We open here on the upside. All because we have the price confidently approaching our appropriate boundary. That's the way it all looks. Plus, we have an uptrend here. Let's check how the deal will work out. I also choose the combination of indicators because they work well together. And there are actually hundreds of such strategies in my arsenal, which makes our session as productive as possible. And boom, another great result, folks. That's how we turn small deals into big wins. And as I said earlier, we have price deviated from the support level. In addition, there is an upward trend movement here, and all indicators show confirmation for opening a trend upwards, which is pretty cool. Our price went in the same direction we opened our trade. And now we will open it in the opposite direction. Despite the fact that the price is moving upwards, we have here a reversal on the price movement and in addition a very confident resistance level. Therefore, I would prefer to open exactly against the general trend. Let's wait for the result. And so you see, friends, how important it is to be in a movement. Trading is about catching opportunities, not random bets. After all, this is where we rely on our strategy and we don't act mindlessly. Every action you take must be verified and validated. You can't get caught up in excitement or emotion. And this is not something you learn in one day, only through practice, which you can get by repeating my actions. So we are taking our time here. Sometimes you have to give the market time to consolidate the result. We continue to enter our schedule and pick up positive trades. Now we will open also on the downside, and here the price is still moving near the resistance level, which is a trend reversal point. We can distinguish two boundaries. This is what it all looks like. And it is from them that our price will turn around and go in the right direction. And it's a classic of our session, clear signals and no fuss. This is how stable income is built, so let's wait for our result. And that's another final result for today. Look how confidently the price went in the right direction and the deal closed in the plus. That's the strategy, traders. What do you think? And that's a wrap on our first live trading session together. To keep getting signals, analyzing trades, and growing as a trader, stay active and jump into the upcoming sessions. If you're ready to take it further, we got 2 trading sessions every day. Tomorrow, we'll break down new positions and test fresh signals, so join in and make the most of every chance to lock in your knowledge and results. Welcome to the crew!